You don't need to be a professional writer or a published author to actually make money from writing content on the internet. Okay, there is thousands of blogs, thousands of websites out there that actually pay you money to write content for their website. These where websites pay as high as $100 to $300 per article, depending on the website or the blog. Okay, so and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need to blow too much big grammar to actually get accepted on these websites. All you just need is a very strong portfolio and the ability to understand what is being given to you to write. Okay, that is the only thing that you need to get started on these websites I'm going to be sharing with you in this video right now. I'm going to be revealing to you 12 websites. I'm going to be reviewing each of them in this video. I'm going to go to my laptop and show you everything you need to get started, how you can apply on each of the websites I'm going to be showing you in this video, the 12 websites I'm going to be showing to you in this video. And these 12 websites ranges from health, fitness, lifestyle, make money online, tech. There is a lot of them out there, even crypto, okay, that can pay you money to contribute on their website, to be a writer on their website. I'm going to review each of the websites with you, show you where you can click to start publishing or contributing on their website. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. Show you how to get started, show you the website, and also maybe give you one or two tips on how you can write the content and start getting paid. So basically that is what I'm going to be covering in this video. Before we get right into what we're here for today, it is important that you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post more educative videos like this one you're about to watch right now, YouTube will notify you instantly. Okay, so if you have seen my channel for the first time, my name is Oka from Cynthia. On this channel, I talk about make money online, remote jobs, digital skills, and different ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. To my returning viewers, thank you so much for always supporting me. I see your likes, I see your comments, and I appreciate that so much. So let's get in right into what we are here for today. I'm going to be showing you everything on my screen. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen right now and show you everything that you need to get started, and also show you these 12 websites that I am talking about. All right, so basically that is what this video is all about. 12 legit websites that pay you money to actually write and contribute to their blogs. That is it. So let's get right into it. The first site we have on our list is Penny Border. Okay, so let's get to my system. Penny Border. So this is it right here. Okay, and you can see um this is a finance website. Make money online. You can see make money, save money, budgeting, debit, retirement, credit, bank account, investing, home buying, taxes, and insurance. So you can see. Okay, so all you just have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page. You can see it here. uh Click on careers. Okay, I'm already clicked on it. So you see, when it opens up, you're going to see join our team. The Penny Border is a mission driven profitable company. As part of the Clearlink family of brands, we value a people first mentality. Okay, by providing our employees with resources and flexibility to live the best lives and excel in ever changing digital marketing and tech industry. So you can see um this is basically it. All right. Competitive. Okay, so this is it. The current openings, they don't have any current openings, so you can keep checking back for openings. All right, so I'm going to show you the other ones. The second one we have on our list is Money Pantry. All right, so you can see it here. Money Pantry is, oh, I've already clicked on careers. Let me open it up. So this is also a make money online blog, so you can see real money tips that actually work. So you can see it. All right, so to get started on this money pantry, all you have to do is to come to their career page or work with us. So you see make money, save money. Okay, career, as you can see it here. All right, so you click on it. When you click on it, it opens up and you can see everything you need to do. Join the money pantry team. Why work with the team? Open positions. You can see they have currently now they have content specialist position that is currently open. Okay, so you can see coming soon. They will be needing a copywriter very soon, and you can see marketing strategy, social media. So all you just have to do is you can see it here. All right, so that is it. Um, the next one we have on our list is work. The next one we have on our list is make use of. Okay, so you can see it. Make use of. Um, what is MUO all about? So you can see what is Make Use of all about. Founded in 2006, and Make Use of's mission is to teach the world how to use and understand technology. Our staff is made up of technology enthusiasts who teach tech tips and so on and so forth. So you can see the opportunities. You click here, all right. Opportunities as so you click here to get started. Then the fourth one we have on our list is freelance mom. So you can see it here. Um, this freelance mom is also a make money online blog. So you can see business, interviews, marketing, money, personal development, and so on and so forth. All right, so basically, this is it. And to get started on this website, all you just need to do is to come here and click on start here. All right, so when you click on that, you get started with working with those people. All right, so it's very simple, not stressful, and you can make a lot of money working for these brands. The next one we have on our list is income diary. Okay, income diary, you can see it here. Okay, so um you can join their email list and so on and so forth. So but what we need from them is we're looking for a writing job. Okay, so come here, see home, make money online, get more traffic, business advice, official. So we scroll down to the bottom of the page so you can see about newsletters, freelance writing jobs. So you can see, you click here, freelance writing jobs on income diary. So you can see, um go through it, see if you are interested in it. Okay, so that is it. And the next one we have on our list is Afar is a travel blog. Okay, so um let me go to the homepage. Okay, all right, so this is the homepage. Sorry. All right, so this is the homepage of Afra. So you can see it's a travel blog and you can contribute to their website. Okay, you can be a writer for this website. And how do you get started with that? You have to look for their career page or the work with us section. So you just scroll down to the bottom of the page. I think I removed it by mistake. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so this is it. You scroll down to the bottom of the page and you are going to see careers. All right, so you click on it. Careers at AFA. So as a company, we are dedicated to. All right, so you click on check open roles. All right, so when you click on it, you're going to see the open roles that they have available. This is for ad sales, and I think this is the only role that they have currently available. All right, so and anytime you're checking, always make sure that you put it on remote. Okay, so remote, and that is it. Then the next one we have on our list is Alaska magazine. Okay, so you can see it here. Let me load the page. Okay, Alaska magazine. Why is it taking time? I hope you're getting value from this video. If you are, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know the country that you are watching from. The country with the highest number of comments will get a shout out in my next video. So let me know which country are you watching from. Those comments. I'm watching from Nigeria, I'm watching from South Africa, I'm watching from Cameroon, I'm watching from Kenya. Okay, so depending on where you're watching from, let me know in the comment section. I would want to know where my viewers are coming from. Okay, so this is it basically. Alaska is also a travel blog. Okay, so you can see, um you can scroll down to their page, see travel photo contest and so on and so forth. You come here and you look for how you can actually start working for these people. So you can see contact us, subscription services, about us, advertise, policy, and so on and so forth. So you click on contact us and check for the available positions and get started with them. The next one we have on our list is Grace Sporting Journal. Okay, so this is for exercise, this is for sports. Okay, this is a sports blog where they publish different kinds of sports news and so on and so forth. And um let it load. Okay, let me load up these other pages. um why is this? Okay, so let's leave this one and move over to another one. It has opened. Okay, so this is it. You can see, you can see basically this is what they do. All you just have to do is you come here, you look for either their career page or the work with us section of their blog. So you can come here and you see contact us, advertising, submissions, and so on and so forth. So you click on submissions. Okay, click on submissions, editorial and photography submission guidelines, and so on and so forth. So you read through and check if you can do what they are requesting for, and you apply with them. All right, so basically that is that. The next one we have on our list is Sporting Classics. So you can see this is Sporting Classics. All right, it's also a sporting website. Okay, so this is the homepage. Let me go to the homepage so you can see it's a sporting, and they added other niches to it. So you can see fishing, the romance, the act of hunting and fishing. You know, these days, if you're running just a one niche based blog, sometimes you'll be very much limited. So that is the reason why some of these blogs actually try to add up more stuffs to their blog. So that is it. You can see. So to get started with them, all you just have to do is to come here, you click on contact. So when you click on contact, you check what you want to do. Do you want to contact them for customer service, or you want to actually publish with them? Sometimes you can even message these people here and tell them that, oh, I want to write for your blog. Do you have open positions? Okay. But then the right way is to go to editorial. You can see it here. The next one we have on our list is Asmos. Okay, so Asmos is a fiction website where you can publish different kinds of fictions and get paid. So this is it. You you check through their website, all right, and you look for their career page from the editors about. Okay, so you see author's corner, author in this issue, so you can see current issues and so on and so forth, more stuffs and other. Now you go to the down page. If you don't see it in the upper part, you can always see it on the lower part of it. So you can see here, we see writers guidelines. So this is it, writers guidelines. Click on it and let it load. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you see writers guidelines, contact customer support, change address from content license. Okay, so you can see payment rights, science fiction magazine is an established story content, statement on the use of AI tools. So you can see, you read everything. Any of this website I'm talking about that you want to use, always make sure that you read their terms and conditions before you start applying to work with them. All right, so that is it. The next one we have on our list is Eating Well. This Eating Well is a healthy lifestyle blog. So you can see this is it. They post a lot of things about healthy lifestyle. See 13 high protein vegetarian breakfast for weight loss that skip eggs. Okay, so this is it. Healthy recipes, special diets, diabetes, meal plans, news, healthy eating, a healthy lifestyle about us. Okay, so you go to the bottom of their page and you look for careers. So you can see it here. You click on it. Conjoin Americans' largest digital and print publishers. So you can see they don't have any open roles now, or they do. Okay, this is it. 63 jobs found on this website. So you can see, and you can filter to remote. Okay, time, job category. Okay, so you see we have technology, content creation. So let's filter to content creation. Okay, filter to content creation and location. Okay, so you see associate talent manager, senior social creator, and so on and so forth. So basically, this is it. The next one we have on our list is Bet Mag. Okay, so you can see it here. This is a fiction blog, so you can see you can publish or register to work with them by looking for their career page, about us, membership, contact us, the Belt magazine shop, the dispatch. So you can go down here, you see about Belt, write for us. You click on write for us. All right. So this is the last one that we have on our list. So you can see write for Belt magazine, features, easy, SS rather, poetry, recipes, photo essays, and so on and so forth. So currently, Belt is closed for submission and will open and will only be accepting stories or commentary concerned with breaking news. So you can see um support independent content driven regional writing. Become a member today. You click here to get started. Okay, so basically that is that about the 12 sites. Now, how do you get started with writing some of these contents? Okay, because most of these websites, they give you what to write about. They are the ones that know what their blog actually needs, so they give you the content to write about. All right, so before I continue, if you want to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Facebook. Okafumiri Cynthia is my name on Facebook, and on Instagram, Learn with Cynthia. You can as well join my Telegram community where I share lots and lots of values relating to make money online and opportunities that can help you make more money for yourself on the internet space. Okay. And secondly, if you're a brand that have any product relating to make money online, remote jobs, fintech, and you need to put your product in front of my over thousands of viewers on this channel, you can reach out to me. My email is on the comment section, on the description of this video. I only work with serious brands that offer legit value to the audience and the internet marketing and make money online niche. All right, so basically that is it. So moving forward, like I said, to write some of this content, you don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be a professional writer. There is ChatGPT now that can help you write some of this content. You don't need to be a pro to write it. All you just have to do is to tell ChatGPT, okay, I have this particular topic to write about. Help me write it, humanize it, and paragraph it very well. It is a blog post or it is a book, and it will write it for you. Okay, I don't need to show that. Maybe you can consider watching the other videos I've posted on this whole writing stuff. I made a video about writing stories. I'm definitely going to try to put it towards the end of this video. Okay, so and another one for ghostwriting. I talked about how I did a very practical example on the story writing video. Okay, so basically that is it. You can use ChatGPT to fasten your process. Okay, these websites pay through PayPal, Wise, and so many other payment gateways. You just have to create your account, verify it, and send them your ID, and you get paid. You can do it from any part of the world that you are. All right, so basically that is it. I hope you got value. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have watched this video to this very point, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for staying to this very end. I would want us to confuse those that did not watch the end. Say, I got value, I enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. All right, so that is it. And secondly, it is important that you subscribe to this channel. It's important that you share this video to people who need it. Okay, I believe that one person that is looking for how to make money online, that this particular opportunity will be very beneficial to, so you can share it with them. They will definitely get value by watching this video. Okay, for you to get to this stage, I believe that something kept you going. Okay, and that thing is going to keep that your friend you're going to share this video with. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Turn on your notification bell for my channel so that when I post educative videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you'll be among the first people to watch it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.